A potential health crisis in the classroom. A Robeson County woman says she got an alarming letter in the mail a few weeks ago from the public health department. She says that the letter talked about the presence of lead poisoning hazards at her children's school, but she can't get anyone to answer her questions. She turned to ABC 15's Tanya Brown for help. Tanya joins us now live tonight outside the Robeson County Public Health Department with more in Lumberton. Tanya?
Andrew, Kelly says that she has been on pins and needles since getting a letter from the health department about 2 weeks ago telling her that lead poisoning hazards were present at St. Paul's Elementary School. She says that is where her 4- and 5-year-old small children attend school. Kelly Lowry shared a copy of the letter with me. In it, the Robeson County Public Health Department says lead poisoning hazards were in areas accessible to children at St. Paul's Elementary School. Lowry's 4- and 5-year-old children are students there. She has a lot of questions.
I just wanted some reassurance, like, was it in the rafters? Was it here? Was it there? Like, what was, like, the potential for them to actually be exposed to the lead?
The letter says the owners or operator of the property have been notified of the hazards, identified, and have made recommendations regarding the protection of the children from any exposure. The department says lead poisoning can cause learning difficulties, behavioral problems, and other adverse health consequences. They recommend parents test their children to determine their blood lead level on or before March 31st. Lowry tells me she's tried over and over to talk with school and district administrators, but hasn't heard back from anyone.
I just think it's nobody really wants to acknowledge their problems. I don't understand why it's so far-fetched that parents would have a concern about a health hazard for their children.
The school district referred me to the state public health department. I emailed the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, and they replied saying a lead investigation was triggered by a sanitation inspection at a licensed child care center located at St. Paul's Elementary. Officials say deteriorated paint conditions were observed by the local registered environmental health specialist. The department says the school has restricted access to areas where lead hazards were identified and is working with a certified contractor to design a remediation plan. Lowry says she just can't understand why school or district administrators won't respond to her concerns.
How hard would it be for all the kids that you knew that were going to get the letter to actually have the school nurse or like the social worker, somebody make phone calls, say, hey, this is what's going on.
She is also asking why parents have to pay a copay or the $35 for their child to be tested for any lead poisoning. She doesn't think that that is fair. Live in Lumberton, Tanya Brown, ABC 15 News.
Tanya, thank you. Some parents say they're going straight to their child's doctor for answers now.